Alright, so I'm going to show you how to install these little door handle, well, sorry, not door handle, but the door lock covers that go onto this thing right here, the door lock. It should give the car a nice look in that area. So yeah, this will be a quick video, so hope you enjoy. So on these, on the back of it, comes with some double-sided tape there already. You're just gonna want to remove that, which I'll do off camera real quick. Alright, once you've got it off, it would be good if you heat up the double-sided sticky tape before applying it so it gets a better stick, but it should be alright for now, I guess. So after you've taken it off, you just want to slip it over here like so. A bit of a tight fit. Then you want to just place it on, just push it back down in place where you want it to be. And just like that, one of them is installed. Now to do the other three. Alright, I'm just about to put on the rear ones now. And these ones that I bought, they're not the best quality. I got them pretty cheap, so you get what you pay for. But I can tell that if these were to be dropped a lot or rubbed or scraped a lot, then the paint material that it's made from will scratch easily and look bad. So as long as you keep it in good condition and don't like scrape it or rub against it pretty hard, or hope that your door doesn't rub against it too hard, then it should be good. But there are more expensive ones out there that you can get that are better quality. You can get them in like carbon fiber or like other colors and stuff like that. But I just picked up a cheap pair just for the video purpose of showing you what it looks like on the car, so bear that in mind. Make sure to really get it on there so that it doesn't come off. Alright, and that is the back side on. So just do the same thing on the other side and you're done. So now I'll give you a quick before and after shot of what it looks like. It's just started to rain, so I'm going to be pretty quick with ending out the video, but this is what it looks like now. It's a very small modification, if you'll call it that, but it's quite nice. I should have probably cleaned my car before I did this. It would have made it look a bit nicer. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's not a big thing, but it does add to the car a bit. So if you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, do anything like that you would like. And yeah, till next time.